Today, we're diving into the world of high-speed fiber optic connectivity with the OM4 LC to LC fiber patch cable by FCD. This 90-meter duplex cable is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, boasting impressive specs tailored for demanding applications across various sectors including education, corporate environments, military defense, government agencies, healthcare facilities, finance, and commercial enterprises. Let's talk about what makes this cable stand out. It features Corning's 5125 optical fiber core cladding, ensuring low loss and high bandwidth capabilities suitable for 100 gigabit Ethernet and beyond. The ceramic ferrule LC connectors provide reliable connectivity, critical for maintaining signal integrity over long distances. The black jacket with zip cord reinforcement not only protects the cable, but also makes it durable in different environmental conditions. In terms of performance, the OM4 fiber offers a modal bandwidth of 3,500–4,700 MHz/km at 850 nanometers 1,300 nanometers wavelengths, optimized for high-speed data transmission using VCSELs. This means it supports a range of Ethernet standards including fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabits Ethernet, 40 gigabits Ethernet, and even 100 gigabits Ethernet over multimode fiber. Whether you're setting up a network backbone in a large corporation or upgrading data centers, this fiber optic cable delivers on reliability and performance. Its 100% lifetime warranty underscores the confidence the manufacturer has in its durability and longevity. Overall, the OM4 LC to LC fiber patch cable by FCD is a robust choice for anyone needing high-speed, low-latency data transmission capabilities. It's engineered to meet the stringent demands of modern networking environments, ensuring seamless connectivity and data integrity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.